Welcome back to Emma and Ella's Toilet! Today we are going to review Cool Maker PopStyle Bracelet Maker. Ella, the bracelet maker comes with beads, a storage tray, elastics, and little sticker sheets. Let's design and pop now! Ella, the open this storage tray, just twist and lift. Now let's align the top of the bracelet maker with the base. And then firmly push down until you hear both sides click. Ella, take 2 elastics and put them on. Let's pop it on and design! Emma, let's design now. Simply clip on the beads on the elastic bands. Stick on the stickers with the sticker sheet. Now our bracelets are ready. Let's pop it. Each PopStyle bracelet maker can make up to 10 bracelets. Emma, you can remake and change. Create and learn combinations and design. Now we're ready to blend the sheet. Thank you